1-4, rozumím, dráha bude volná a vítr do 10 knotů 330. 1-4.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Okay, the wind is north, yes?
Okay, so, your control then.
Okay. You want to check the Magno or the everything?
Yeah, I did, of course. I flown there.
You've flown it, you don't need to check it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we will taxi to holding position runway 33.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Zase na rádio Skrkle jako November Alfa, pojížděné nečkávací 33.
Zena, rozumí, máte volno. Sáza na rádio, Oscar Domyslov Viktor 44 po větru pravého 33. Oscar Viktor 44, rozumím, pořadí 1, ohlašte finale. Pořadí 1, Oscar Viktor 44.
Now forward.
Okay.
Because there is a threshold, so
one?
you have to be on a holding position to recognize if somebody is on a final or not.
Okay. You want me to stay here?
No, they're roughly somewhere here.
Okay.
Okay, and there, because you have to check the final. Yep.
Okay, so it's okay.
Okay. Saze na rádio, Oscar November Alfa, na dráhu 33 vzlet.
A November Alfa máte dráhu volnou.
Okay, let me do it. It's okay. Birds. Okay, any castle, anything to see?
Okay, at the first, it's better to increase the speed and then climb.
Oh, okay, but no, because of the bird.
Oh, it's far.
It's far, it's okay? Okay.
Okay, 70 and gently climb up.
Pořád rádio, se na 4 po větru pravého 33. Na 4 rozumím, jste pořadí 2, pořadí 1 na finále. Bylo z ohledu. Sázená radio, Oscar Unislov Viktor 44, finále dráhy 33, levá, letné přispání. Tady Unislov 44, rozumím, dráha je volná, 330 do 10 knotů.
You can climb more. So, do you want to fly at the first some technique or immediately the traffic patterns? Tell me what you want.
Just to see scenery and to do some confined area landings.
Okay, so if you want that it's just a ruin, do you see the hill there?
Yes, I see.
Fly there.
Okay. So you have your school?
Yeah.
You are the school instructor?
Yes.
You like your job?
Yeah. I like it.
I did my lessons 2 years ago. I finished 1 year ago. I have 90 hours almost, that's all. But it's okay.
It is. Please keep manifold pressure under the yellow.
Under the yellow?
Part.
Okay.
And don't descend, gently nose up. Don't descend.
Sázená rádio, se na 4 finále, 3 touchingou. Na 4 rozumím, dráhu máte volnou.
It is a bit cheaper here than in Israel, the
Well,
A bit cheaper, not so much.
of course, it's because there is there's only one difference: the salary for the instructor. All other is the same. Because the helicopter it costs the same, fuel costs the same, service costs the same.
Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. How many hours do you have?
Now more than 9,000 now.
This is professional, huh?
Keep please under the yellow arm.
Under the yellow.
Don't still increase the nose up. Keep horizon and roughly 20 manifold pressure. It's fine for horizontal flight.
Vážená radio, Oscar Unifor Victor 44 po větru pravé odkytky.
Why it is so important the yellow? Sometimes we are flying on the yellow. We don't fly because of.
Sorry, once more.
It's okay to fly above this village?
Sure.
Okay.
We are not too low.
1,500.
And it's a small village only. Just the big towns, there it's a rule you have to fly at least 300 meters under higher obstacles, 600 meters far of you.
Okay, let's land in some confined area, somewhere where you choose.
No?
Maybe this one, it's okay
No,
with you?
everywhere, sure. That's,
Here it's okay with you?
They're downstairs?
Yeah?
You mean?
No, here, in this...
do you mean the field or next the railway?
No, next area is too dangerous. The field, maybe.
No,
It's okay with you?
sure.
Okay, I'm going. I want to practice, because
Okay.
you have... Just treat me as a student.
Okay.
Thanks.
So, at the first, if you want to land somewhere in the country, at the first, search for, not for wires, but for support of lines. Yeah? Because if you see the wires, obvious it's too late. So you have to see the supports. If you see that it's the clean area, okay, then you can land. And it's better to turn to your side because there you have much more better view to look downstairs. So if you are inspect some place, turn to your side.
Okay.
Always it's better. And there are no obstacles, surface it's perfect now, it's no wet.
Yes, but I wanted to go there. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Now I can see that no obstacles. I see no wires.
perfect.
I'm looking for wire, no wires, good. The wind is coming from the north, which is on my left side. So it's okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
you
now
can
I
start,
will start
you
reducing
can start with
speed.
descent.
Yes, start to descent. I will reduce speed to 60. Okay, base. That's too slow.
Too slow, and
Too
you are
slow.
again turning to left side. Much more better it's to your side because you still can keep in your view the place where you want to land. Well, it doesn't matter.
But it
Okay, you
doesn't
turn
matter,
left.
okay.
I think it's there between the trees.
Where you want me to land?
So you want to, so you have to descend. If you want to land, you have to descend. You are
Yes.
very high.
Very high, yes.
And if appears manifold pressure under the green arc, always use the carburetor heating.
Yes. No, this is too high. I cannot land like this. It's too high.
Oh, you can.
I
You
can?
mean there? You mean there on this field?
No, I want it here. It's too
There.
high. No.
Okay, so then you have to descend more.
Okay. Do another turn. Yeah. Okay. Let's go there. I go there because I want to have the trees in front of me when we go up to see if I can. It's more. It's going to be too dusty here. It's okay with you?
Oh, it's fine.
It's fine.
Sazena radio, Oscar Unifor Victor 44 před 5 zatáčkou pravého 33. Oscar Victor 44.
Gently
Gently.
down. Because you don't know how to. Why not? I prefer to faster approach because you hover too soon. It's better to be a little bit faster.
We'll do it faster approach
everything.
now.
It's just to practice.
Okay, we'll do a faster approach next time. Power. Manifold pressure is okay.
And now that is better, so fly there because there are no obstacles. So turn, nose, increase the speed and fly away. It's always better than just hover over.
But the wind was on the...
Oh, doesn't matter. You saw, you flow nice.
Okay, let's land here on the...
Reduce the manifold pressure.
Okay, sorry. Let's land here on the front. It's less dusty. And we'll do a faster approach.